Hola, chicos.
Ah!
What? You don't?
Don't start that way.
Okay, fine. I'll start over. Hi guys, today you see that we're in the car with some
We are in the car.
luggage.
It's a normal day.
Nah, it's not a normal day.
It is. It totally is a normal day.
Well, this normal day is going to be an excellent day because we are going to this beautiful castle that's called Landoll.
The landfill, you mean?
Okay, it's a family joke because I was really tired. We had this Christmas Day when we found out that we're going on this trip, and like it's literally like in bold letters it said Landoll, and I was like, oh, we're going to the landfill castle. I was tired, okay? So don't judge me. So we're just in the car ready to go, and it's gonna be like a few hours, and so that's why we're just gonna be driving there, and then it's just gonna be just a couple of days. We're not gonna spend like the whole week there like we usually do. So I'm not sure what my future self's gonna put this in two vlogs or one vlog. So whatever she puts, hopefully you guys like it. And also, if you guys follow Alec on his channel, he did a gaming video of you wanna say what you did?
Okay, so yesterday Alana and I did our first professional gaming video together of Luigi's Mansion 3, so I'm trying to get more views to view it. There's not many at the moment. And then also another announcement, I just reached 70 subs, so I'm pretty happy about that.
Yay!
But yeah, thank you for the supporters. So also I want to say, I mean, this isn't necessarily a negative comment, but I did notice that over 50% of my viewers are not subscribed to me, so if that's you, you know, hit that button. Okay? That's all I got. Thank you.
He's cool.
Our castle's straight ahead.
There's our castle. We're going to the top.
Wow,
It's not even
that's pretty. That's where we're staying for a day. Alec, we're not in 2019 anymore.
We're in 1601.
Yes.
See that?
And it's gonna be
See my sword? See my new sword? I'm a knight.
It's gonna be 2020 in a few days.
No, it's gonna be 1602.
In a few days. Yeah, we're basically celebrating like the last days of 2019. And the gate is almost coming to an end. It's starting a new one. And why does there's dead people? There is dead people.
So they have ghost paths here. At night you get your flashlight and you walk through the cemetery.
Oh, honey, I don't want to see any dead people. Not today.
I want to talk to the dead.
Oh, okay. Okay, we are outside now. And look how pretty that is. Alec has his video camera out.
Here we are at the castle.
He's a little fuzzy on his microphone. It's adorable. Yeah, I'm under an umbrella right now, and Alec is just wet in the rain, and your hair's gonna get frizzy.
Why are you recording me?
I don't know. I'm the water. Wet in the rain, and your hair's gonna get frizzy.
Why are you recording me?
I don't know, but I'm gonna waddle. Waddle. Look at this. This is cool. Look at the pretty tree. I like this. Look at this. This is cool. And the beautiful music. Oh, look at the Gizmus tree. It's so pretty.
Yeah. Look at that. It doesn't even look like a castle. It looks like a big house.
I like this really chair. I mean, that chair, the stairs. Oh no! I'll come back with you guys.
So we're gonna be up top.
We just entered into our little place that we're staying at, and holy smokes, this is reminding me of Hogwarts. Look at this, that's one of the beds. Look at that pretty chandelier. And that's our TV. And we have a fireplace, stairs, and there's more stairs, and that's the kitchen, and then that comes out as a bed, and that's the front door. And then we have a spinny swilly thingy. So Alec, you look excited. We go.
You ready to go?
There. Yes, let's go. Go up the stairs.
This is really space.
Because you have to spin around.
Spin around.
I'm ready. Oh, this is what we see. Alec. Let's go these. Get dizzy. We have a little secret hideout. Can that open? To unlock it. Push. Whoa. Wow. This is amazing. Yeah, this is our view. Oh, it loops all the way around. Oh, it reminds me from Frozen. Life is an open door. Because remember that
Life
scene?
is an open door with you.
With you.
With you.
With you. Life's an open door. Oh, that was as we break out in the song. This is cool. Are we in Scotland?
Scotland. How you doing, my mate? We're Scotland. We're Scotland.
Where are you going? Hey, look. Do you like this?
We can literally jump down there.
Yeah, you can literally just like jump. That's someone else's up.
I think that's where we came in, right there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, we came into that door.
Oh yeah, we came through that door, and then our entrance is right there. I hear Dad. Is she coming? Daddy! You can't see him. Dad! Daddy! Dad tried to get up. Squish. Look at this! It's so pretty! Look, I like this view. We're surrounded by nature.
So this is our pond, right?
Yes, but it's a little moist. So we're in this like little, like, I don't know what to call it, like staircase room? Tower, right, those words. And we have to, woo, that's really cool. And so how to get into like our place is to use this door, and then we open that, and then we have to go to that door right there. But now we are getting our luggage because we only took a few stuff in our room, so we have to go down the stairs. So there's like 2 suites in this tower. So yeah. So Mother just handed me towels, so I'm just gonna go back. And Dad is staying at the suite. And also we have this other spiral staircase that we can go up there. But we have to have a key. We don't have the key. So let's open this. And we go straight out. And then this is our deck. We only have 3 chairs, so one of us has to sit on the table. Or share. Alec! Hello! How are you? You getting our luggage? I have to give these towels to Mother. I mean, to Father. Okay. Jeez Louise. Alec, don't go to someone else's suite. They're gonna freak out. Alec's just go to random people's houses. Well, you can only go through the tower place. See this tower? That's what we go on. So we'll knock on the door to get Daddy, because I have to have a key. We wish you a Merry Christmas with towels. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. Are you enjoying yourself?
Sure.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, I also forgot to show you guys that when we walk... Alec! That's just a random Alec. So when we walk to our, basically our little suite, there are a few different doors. These different doors. But there's the trigger. This is the only door that we have to use to get in because these 3 are suites. But like when I walked in, I was just like, which door do I go? But it's labeled Nickery Tower. So that's where we go. It's beginning to look like the lights are on. Look at that. That's so cool. Are we in Gizmos Town now? So we were in Scotland and now we're in Christmas Town. So now we have reservations for dinner at 6 and it's 5:09. So we're just gonna like walk around and see all the gorgeous nature stuff. And Mommy is taking some pictures and Alec's recording on his new camera. So he say, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hello.
So, yeah, the rain stopped. Oh, I almost stopped you guys. The rain stopped, and I was getting a little hot, so I'm not wearing my coat, but I was wearing a little like, coat that he called for Gizmos. Gizmos.
Can we get a picture of you with the
So,
And then just look
what
at
do you
our
think?
lights. It's so pretty. I'm sorry if I'm interrupting your vlog.
No
But
problem.
hello.
Mom looks like Hansel and Gretel.
So that's nice. And then just look at our lights. It's so pretty. I'm sorry if I'm interrupting your vlog.
No
but
problem.
hello.
Mom looks like Hansel and Gretel.
To my home.
Yeah.
To my home.
Hansel and Gretel, yeah.
I'm with my parents and we're just out here. The place is so beautiful.
So we are going up the Red Oak Tower. It is?
Which is pooping.
Alec. It has like that interesting like wood smell. Stairs. Oh, and then there's an outlet. These stairs. And there's a window. Oh, there was a spiral. Wee. Look at it. Our bedroom's right there. And then that's where our bathroom is. Wow. Right, we're on the second level. And I think you can't get up there. We need a key. Yeah. So there's a keyhole and we have no key. Wait, it goes up there. It's just, I think, just the tippy top. And a little door. What? Huh?
Over the bed.
Hi, Dad! He's down below. He couldn't come up because he wanted to hurl. So,
Why is Dad all the way down there?
you scaredy cat.
In there, you guys.
Oh wait, cap still on.
Stay quiet on the set.
That's what I said.
You don't have to be dead silent, just... Yeah. What? Oh, I gotta try the zoom feature.
Daddy?
Yep, we see him.
Oh, a little hard to see, but...
I have a good glimpse of him.
Can you smile?
Yeah.
Oh, really, look at this gorgeous place. We are almost at our destination to our dinner. I don't know if you can see me, but there's no lights over here.
See that?
Huh?
Somebody typed up the sign, they put Cooper instead of copper. The Cooper mark. See that?
Let's look at that mistake. Oh, that's funny. Oh, look at you, it's to eat. You can't really see you, but it's okay.
That's okay. Come over here.
It's like, I just love this. All these
Yeah,
lights.
now look at me. There's lights on my face.
Okay, let's go ahead, eat dinner. Alright, we are in the restaurant. How are you feeling?
So I've been enjoying myself so far. We're here at the formal restaurant. We just ordered our food. Now we're gonna go ahead and eat. we get it?
Yes. I'm actually really excited because I'm trying to stay away from meat, so I'm actually getting the vegan meatballs and linguine. So that's gonna be really good. And Alec, what are you getting for your dinner?
I got the chicken Florentine. Jumped on the run for a second.
All right. Okay, so I taught Alec how to make a baby out of a cloth. I was just swinging it. Do you like your babies? Oh, don't kill them.
They're indestructible.
They're gonna hurl. So they're my little babies right there. He's gonna hurl. Alright, we got our soy salads. And then this looks like a little pumpkin. It's so cute. And then we got our spinach and artichoke dip. And then Alex also got a side salad.
Salad.
Yeah, which fork?
Smaller one.
Alright.
The outside in, smaller one. Yep.
Daddy's got a copper mug. Look, it's a cute little copper mug. Do you like it, Daddy? It's a copper mug. Our food has arrived. It's my vegan meatballs. And then Alex's food. Is it good? I eat. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so we got our desserts. Look at that. Alec, what are you doing? And then we're watching my orange child, and I have a typo, my guys. It says comment. Wait, I didn't eat.
What are we waiting for?
I don't know. All right, we are finished eating our supper, and I don't know if you probably can't see because it's a little dark, but there's some lights over there, and we're following this path, and we're just gonna enjoy the outdoors even though it's raining. You probably can see me a little bit now. Hello guys, if you can. It's a little sprinkling. Oh, they're not working. And then Dad's just tagging along. Daddy! And then this beautiful woods that you guys can't see because it's too dark. You can only see the lights. Well, the lights are supposed to light the way. It's actually really pretty.
Go that way and that way?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Cool. Do we know where we're going or just walking around?
We're just walking. No.
This is a walkway?
No, don't go that way.
Okay.
Keep going. Follow the light. That's what you do.
Choose the light.
Just follow the light. Be a mosquito. They follow the light.
Hide in the graveyard.
No, Dad. We're not going in the graveyard.
Behind the chainsaw.
No, Dad. We're not going behind any chainsaws or any graveyards. They're too scary. And you know what happens when they hide behind a graveyard or chainsaws? Nothing good. Right, so we walked up here and we're at the pool place, and also there's a workout place, and Alex beating up his professor.
I'm a very bad puncher.
So, you know the guy named Gordon Ramsay? That was like the yellow brick road, but you can't see it. But the guy he's like a really famous cook. He came here and like shot like basically a film, and this is where he stayed at, 5 Ross Suite. Because I know that because my parents were looking at a video and it said 5 Ross Suite, and Mom's like, it's not down here. I'm like, yes it is. And I came down here, I'm like, ha, I knew it. So yeah, that's where Gordon Ramsay stayed. Is that weird to think about? Yeah, a celeb was right there. He touched that handle. I'm not gonna touch it. Alright, so we are back in our hotel castle thingy. So we're on the top right now where the spiral stairs are. I just thought it would be a good place to end the vlog. I hope you guys liked it. I know it wasn't very interesting because we were just coming in and like unloading, and then we went to dinner and you saw what we ate. Your guys are probably hungry now, and then you saw Ellie beating up that punching bag. Pretend that was his professor. And
I'm joking, yes.
yeah, so I'm gonna end the
I
vlog
wanted to
here.
do this past semester because I was so frustrated, but
Well,
it
hey,
worked out.
you freshie.
But there are so many fresh out there. We're doing so much.
You are too.
Thank you.
So we're gonna end the vlog here because we're gonna get in our pajamas and then play some games and probably stay up until midnight.
6-hour pajamas.
And I'm gonna probably forget to end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it here. I hope to see you guys in the future.